Year 2020 has just begun. Wait, what? That's right, the new year 2020 has just begun. And everyone's already wondering what the world of graphic design will look like. Undoubtedly, graphic design has always been a field of deep admiration and huge inspiration to many. And we all can't wait to see what awaits. We've made a deep research to spot the rise in several particular trends, which are expected to boom in the year 2020. The first trend that's going to rise in 2020 is 3D depth and realism. The 3D trend reached its peak in 2019, and it certainly won't fade away so quickly. Thanks to the opportunities of modern technology and software capabilities, in 2020, we will keep seeing more awesome 3D graphic design compositions. Moreover, in order to be more creative, designers will often combine it with other realities, such as photos and two-dimensional objects. Next, we're going to see things going more monochrome. Lately, we've been seeing a tendency of graphic design and web designers using a monochromatic color effect. Remember the duotone craze from graphic design trends in 2017? It turns out the trend has now evolved into a more simplified version. A monochrome color filter is widely used on photos or partial elements in graphic composition. In the new year, we're going to see more shiny metals in design. Using metallic metals in graphic design has established as ultra trendy from branding identity and product design. By rule, this trend requires a minimalist overall design, since the focus falls on the metallic effect itself. You're noticing the designers mostly use gold. It conveys luxury, class, and good taste. But the metallic effect can also be achieved by using shiny surfaces over matte surfaces in any color. To make the effect even more impressive, branding specialists combine this trend with relief, engraving from brand identity physical metals such as business cards. The fourth design trend we're going to see in 2020 is the use of typography. In order to create more innovative and modern compositions, designers are playing with typography big time. This trend is expected to flourish in 2020, figuratively and literally. Decorated with beautiful flowers and geometric shapes and more creative elements, artistic typography is certainly the perfect solution to nail the attention. Combined with the maxi typography trend from graphic design trends in 2019, artistic typography in 2020 will really stand out. Speaking of maxi typography, the trend has certainly proved a stable one, and we will keep seeing it. In fact, in 2020, maxi typography will be so maxi that designers will split the words into multiple lines. When it comes to thickness, the rule is the thicker, the better. Heavy fonts and lettering are already flooding the world of graphic design. We see them in logos, on posters and web designs, and even on package design. Once again, the letters will be huge, and may even be beyond the composition's edge. Another huge trend about typography for the upcoming year would be drawing shapes with it. What do we mean? Twirls, circles, or simply curves? Following the curves of other elements in the design, the shapes can be two-dimensional and even three-dimensional. A big hit is creating a 3D object with words such as cubes, stairs, and more. Semi-transparency in typography is also quite trendy. In 2020, we will be seeing it in different forms. Sections of words overlapping one another, double typography with the second copy being transparent, or simply semi-transparent typography over photos and other elements of the design composition. The fifth and final 2020 design trend that you're going to see and that we're going to talk about in this video is image and text masking. Image and text masking isn't a new technique to the design world, but it still looks quite modern in 2020, as it leaves a big portion of the image behind unrevealed, and it helps achieve a mysterious and minimalist look in 2020. Designers will keep creating compositions with image and text masking, of course sticking to maxi typography for the lettering in order to achieve the desired effect. And that's the 5 graphic design trends that you're going to start seeing in the new year of 2020. If you got value from this video, then smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already. And don't forget, if you can dream it, then BDesign can help you design it. So keep on dreaming, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!